screaming deal on this Craftsman 21 degree framing nailer. Big shout out to my man Joe the Tool Guy. He's the one that had this first. Buy it while you can. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more 2B videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. This is the Craftsman 21 degree framing nailer. Item number 1068257, model CMP21PL. Guys, add it to the cart. I already have 2 in the cart. Let's go to the cart, see the price. Alright, let's go back. Alright, let's add this to the cart. 1 added, view in cart. Subtotal 2 cents, estimated delivery 79. So guys, if you guys are able to find this at your store, make sure you guys 2 cents, guys. 2 cents. Let's see if I can find it in another store. Shop at this store. Alright, yep. It's here, so I'm gonna put it in the cart. View in the cart. Guys, 2 cents, guys. Go get them. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.